Hello, I'm Miss Kelly, and today's your test. What's your name? How do you spell it? How old are you? I'm very good. How many people are there in your family? Okay. What color is your hair? What color is your hair? What color are your eyes? Okay. What animal do you like? What animal do you like? I like. What things have you got in your bedroom? Okay. Is there a teddy next to the bed? Is there a bed in the bedroom? Yes or no? How many socks are there on the floor? How many socks are there on the floor? Very good. What's under the desk? What's under? Where's the blanket? Where's the blanket? What color is the blanket? What color is the blanket? Okay. Where's the computer? Where's the computer? What's on the wall? What's on the wall? How many pens are there on the cupboard? How many pens? How many books are there on the shelf? How many books are there on the shelf? Okay, next. What can he do? What can he do? Can the girl dance? Yes or no? Can the boy sing? What can the monkey do? What can the monkey do? Can the girl walk? Yes or no? Can the girl walk? Can the boy swim? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.